Video yan.
Okay, ulitin natin.
Ikaw
Handa
na.
na ba kayong makinig?
Sige pa.
Tahimik na ba tayo? Handa na ba kayong makinig? Nagulang din kayo? Okay, ayan po. Listen pa, ating po palakpakan si LFA Santos.
Ay pa. Day 1. Ay pa, dito lang tingin sa akin. Ay pa.
Day 1, brought heaven and earth and light. It must have been so very bright.
Kukunin niya, alam niya na. Day, dito pa. Day 2. Day 2. Kay mami ka titingin. Kay mami. Day 2.
Day 2, God made a clear blue sky, a place for many birds to fly.
Ala, ala, ala. Di pantay. Day 3.
Day 3, broad land apart from seas, with all the plants, grass, and trees.
Day 4. Day 4.
Day 4, shone forth moon, stars, and sun. But the work of God was not yet done.
Teacher, baka hindi dumikit yung mga fish. Ayun. Sana dumikit. Ayan, sabi niya.
Dito mga to.
Kaya nga, natatawa sila eh. Kaya ano,
Day 5,
we
see the fish and birds. God did all of this with just His words.
Nak, dikit mo mabuti. Yan. Day 6.
Day 6,
God form.
God formed all beasts and man
To finish.
to finish His creation plan.
Kunin mo. Ah, day 7. Teacher, nasa loob.
Day 7
Was.
was especially blessed, a day for worship and for rest.
This is God's creation. This is
This is
God's creation.
God's creation.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay, palakpakan po natin. Yan po ay ang